Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring the Kindle stays awake. Charge it to above 20% and unlock the screen. Once done, tap the top edge to reveal the toolbar and open settings. Make sure you pick display or quick actions depending on model. This is the only route to true brightness control. You do this now so later steps persist. Do not go into the book view yet. Stay in settings to change core display options that affect every app and reading session. You now directly change the light. Drag the brightness slider to the level you want and pause for a steady update. If your model has a warmth slider, move it slightly warmer for reduced blue light in low light conditions. Once you see the right combination, turn off adaptive or auto brightness so the Kindle stays at that exact level. This prevents the device from dimming based on ambient sensors. These middle steps lock in your preference for consistent reading comfort. You finish by exiting settings and opening any book to confirm the brightness you set applies while reading. If it resets or flickers, restart the Kindle first. Often a reboot clears temporary sensor or software glitches. If restarting doesn't help, check for a system update and install it, then repeat the brightness steps. If the front light still fails or is uneven after updates and resets, contact support. This indicates a hardware issue rather than a settings problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.